Hi there, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Girl Next Door this side. I hope you all are doing well. So, before getting into today's topic, I wanted to do the first things first. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And I post content on a lot of different things like makeup, lifestyle, and vlogs about traveling. So, yeah, saying so, if you are new to my channel, definitely subscribe. And if you are back, hello again. And let's get into today's topic. So, today's topic is a very interesting one. I have never made a video on this before in my channel, but this is something that I'm extremely passionate about, considering that I'm myself a perfume maker. Therefore, I'm extremely choosy about my own perfumes, and I have many different perfumes, but I am going to show you today six of my best perfumes that I think are absolutely fantastic. And surprisingly, many of them are below 200 and all of them are below 500. So, without waiting, let's get into today's video. So, my first pick of the day is something that is very dear to me. I'm absolutely in love with that. So, my first perfume is this one, the Moy flavor from Nykaa. This one is the perfume Moy from Nykaa, and the particular variant is Raison d'Etre. I think that is the pronunciation. So, this is a French term. Okay, it has a specific meaning, but I absolutely love this perfume. This is the smaller one. So the perfume is of this is of 16 ml bottle. I'll show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Extremely, see through, extremely luxurious, and the smell is. Oof, the smell is amazing. So this smaller version of this perfume is costs 279 rupees. You will get this from Nykaa, and yeah, the bottle extremely looks pretty, and the some has some Japanese vibes to it. I don't know, but yeah. So if I go about describing the perfume, so the main notes, the top notes will be bergamot, orange. Yes, I have my notes to refer. I have made it so that I don't go wrong while explaining. And the middle notes are patchouli, and the base notes are vanilla and vetiver. So, what does this mean? This means that the perfume has a great depth, and it has on top notes there are sweet, but as the day passes, it becomes musky, and because there is patchouli, it becomes very deep. So this is definitely, you know, a nighttime perfume. This is not a daytime perfume because it's very deep. It has a certain amount of mystery to it. So if you are a girl who, wants to explore and want to wear musky perfume which has hints of feminism in it, this is definitely the one for you. And I highly recommend this perfume to you. This is something that I wear every single day to office, and I absolutely love that. And yeah, it's a heavy perfume, and I'm definitely sure that you are going to make heads turn with that. So my number two perfume is another extremely affordable one, and you won't believe when I say it is below 200 rupees. This is my next perfume. This is the Insight. This is from Insight Cosmetics. The variant is Heartbeat, and this bottle even looks so cute, and I just love this. I mean, when I run out of this perfume, I'm definitely going to keep this bottle in my vanity. This is a 50 ml bottle. This is Heartbeat from Insight. 50 ml bottle costs only rupees 171. Yes, you heard me right. This costs 171. This is for my girls who love floral, fruity fragrances. When I come to the notes, so the top notes are floral, fruity. Middle notes have hints of aquatic fragrance, and the base notes are sandalwood and musk. So, But because we have floral, fruity both together, so that kind of overpowers, but not to the extent that it irritates your nose. This is definitely a very well made perfume, because I have discovered that, as the day through day progresses, you get more of that sandalwood compared to the floral and fruity, and that's what makes it really special. There's many different layers to this perfume. This is something that you can wear during the day, during the night, but yeah, absolutely, absolutely love this one. The spray for this particular bottle doesn't work very well. Yeah, I don't know how Inside came up with such a beautiful creation, and that too under rupees 200. First, the floral and the fruity hits you, but when after 1 hour and 1.5 hours, you are going to get more of the sandalwood. Yes, so this is something which is really well made, extremely well layered, and I suggest you get your hands on this. So, my number three perfume is from a very well known store that we all love. And this is from their perfume range. And this one, as you see here, is from Zudio. I have been through a lot of perfumes on Zudio, and I haven't been able to like many of them, but this is the one that has stuck to me because I really like the fragrance. I like the bottle. This is like a ceramic bottle, not a plastic bottle. I love how minimalist it looks. I love how they have named this woman. I mean, that's just so universal. And this is how the bottle opens. Yeah, it's tight, it's secure. Um, and if I just spray it, huh? This is also another earthy fragrance. This is not a fruity or floral fragrance. This has deep earth, and there are hints of vanilla. There are hints of sandalwood. So I haven't been able to get the exact notes from the internet, but because I make perfumes myself, that's why I can tell you that this is a very deep and well layered perfume. This is again a date. This is again, I'm sorry, nighttime perfume. Considering that it's a little heavy, it has hints of patchouli, and on top notes there's little bit of citrus as well. But the price of this is something that is astonishing again. This is 299, little bit more than the other ones, but this is an extremely well made perfume. The staying power of this one is around 4 to 5 hours, which is really good from a very store made perfume. And yeah, so that's what this is, my third perfume, and I really love this, and I recommend this to you all. If you don't like any other perfumes from Zudio, this is one that you can definitely consider. My fourth choice of today is something that I think many of you can expect. It is from this range. I mean, how can I ever explain perfumes and not talk about the Plum range, right? And this is one from their range which which extremely appeals to me, because I love how it smells. I'll show how it looks from inside. This is Plum Body Loving Hawaiian Rumba, and this is how the packaging is like. It has, it's sea green and then prints of leaves and all. It looks very pretty. And this one is, this one looks like this. So this is the bottle, and it is extremely travel friendly is what I think. The bottle itself is sturdy. It's not like, cheap quality glass that it will, you know, break easily. The net quantity is 15 ml. This is Hawaiian Rumba. The price of this, the mark price is 295, but then I have got this from Nika at 251. Okay, and I'll explain to you the smell first. Mm, okay, so I just love this. So this is an extremely different kind of perfume. Why, I will tell you. There are many people who want to go for floral and fruity but doesn't like typical orange or jasmine. So this is something that has pear and lychee. The top notes are pear and lychee, middle notes are freesia magnolia, and base notes are amber, musk, and vanilla. Oh, okay, sorry. And base notes are musk, vanilla, and amber. So the dominant flavor that comes out here is peach, musk, and amber. So you can understand this is an extremely well made perfume. On top, it seems fruity, but is not so fruity that will give you headache. Okay, and this is a daytime perfume because this, it reminds you of a beach vacation. I don't know why, because there's no aquatic on the notes. There is no aquatic notes mentioned, but still it's extremely playful. This reminds me of a girl in her teens maybe, or in their 20s, who's extremely playful and naughty, and this gives out exactly that vibes. This is something that I love so much. When I can just spray it all over myself when I feel low, or when I just want to have a whiff of a good smell. This is something that I will use that for. And the staying power is amazing. This also stays for 5 hours. I do not have to reapply, and even after I wash my clothes, the base notes stays. So that is what I loved about this perfume. And this is something, oh my god, wait, I love this so much. I love this so much. Get your hands on this, guys. My fifth perfume is something that the internet is craving about right now, and rightly so, because I'm going to talk about Ramson's You Are Lovely perfume. And this one, this baby right here, is, you can see it's such a cute packaging. It looks luxe as well. It has this plastic cap, but which is of silver, and it has light baby pink color of the perfume. The bottle looks really nice. If you see, it's very thin, so you can carry it easily as well. This is the variant You Are Lovely from Ramson's, and guess what? This is even below 150. This perfume costs only rupees 131, and I have bought this from Amazon. It is available in Nykaa. I think I have seen this to be, getting sold at even less than that. I have seen this to be getting sold at 126 at some point of time. And this is something that I absolutely love. This is for my girlies who like floral, fruity fragrances. And I'll just read out the notes for your clarity. The top notes are floral, spicy, middle notes are warm, woody, and base notes aquatic. So this is overall a floral smell, but it has hints of wood and spice. So that makes this perfume extremely unique. I mean, sometimes I think that when I spray this on myself, I immediately get the woody notes first. I don't know how, but I get the woody notes first, spicy later, and along with that, here and there, the floral fruity scents are also there. So this is something which is extremely, I think, versatile. This is something you can wear to parties. This is something you can wear to office, college, not school. Yeah, we were not allowed to wear, perfumes to school, by the way. And this is extremely, I feel that this can be worn during the daytime as well as during the night time. So I think this is extremely well made, extremely well layered perfume. This is something that lasts for around 3 to 4 hours. And yeah, never mention, if you have to buy anything of out of the ones that I have informed, then this is something that you should definitely buy, and it only cost 130 rupees. So I think this is the definite buy. Last but not the least, I'm going to show you one more, which is not a perfume, but which is a body mist. And all of us know that how much we love vanilla smells, right? Now, we all know that Plum's Vanilla Vibe is a cult favorite. But apart from Plum's Vanilla Vibe, there is one more which I absolutely love. the price of which is even half than that plum vanilla vibe, but is extremely beautiful, and that is none other than Lair Water Girls Vanilla Twist. So if you see, this is, how much is remain it remains in the bottle. I have used the entire bottle, and yes, I am going to repurchase this because how much I love this, how beautiful it is. This vanilla is not just a plain vanilla, but it has hints of coconut, bergamot, and top notes are vanilla. So this is how it's made, and it's an extremely well made perfume. It stays for 4 to 5 hours, after which you have to reapply, because I mean, this is not a perfume, right? This is a body mist. It's not anyway supposed to stay for 5-6 hours. So this stays for a good 4 hours, 4 to 4.5 hours, and the price of this is around one. I got this for 191. The mark price is 225. I got this for 191. The entire bottle is quite big. It is of 135 ml, and so it's just that I feel that the cap is not of very good quality. Even the bottle is of cheap plastic quality. But then, I mean, I love this anyways, and yeah, the moment I sprayed on myself, I'm immediately reminded of, cupcakes, vanilla ice creams, vanilla cake, essence. Oh my god, a full bakery. So, yeah, and on top of that, there's hints of coconut, which I absolutely love. There's a lot of coconut that you smell in it, and yeah, this is a body mist that I'm loving, and I have used this so much. I mean, this is something that I use every day, and it is extremely versatile. This is something that even guys can use and ladies can use. So this is something that is unisex, is something that I will say. And on top of that, this can be used on daytime, nighttime, everything. And yeah, this is extremely versatile and extremely usable, and I definitely think that you should try this. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you liked it. I hope you found value in the products that I have showcased. These are all something that I have bought with my own money, and nothing is sponsored. So let me know in the comment section if you have used any of these, or if you have any other suggestion under 500 that me and all our subscribers and all part of our family can use and enjoy. So thank you so much. Please do subscribe. Please do share it with your friends. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Bye.